Years ago, on top form here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. He's currently fourth in the World Rally Championship. Like Shrek. So he does. Well, we did it. I don't know if we've intermingled some of the drifters here, but we're changing things up because obviously we saw that the car vehicle and now a full-on WRC World Champion vehicle. This is the Ford of Elfyn Evans. Elfyn Evans, who is the family connection. His father used to be a Welsh bus driver. Went on to win the British Rally Championship.